welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are not happy just like me with trading 212 not allowing you to buy GameStop shares and AMC shares or basically any shares that we want to buy, I have a good news for you guys. You can always switch on to etoro. Okay, I took some of my funds out today, went to etoro, opened an account, and I got some BlackBerry shares and some Nokia shares, and trading and investing both options were available the whole day for GameStop and AMC as well. Basically, as a person, I do not like institute or any brokerage firm telling me what to do with my money. I don't like them controlling my money. I try to invest what is right for me. So I did during the daytime. I did go through a lot of comments, and I did read a lot of users were not happy with trading 212. In fact, so much so that their ratings, they dropped from 4+ stars to just 1+ star in just one single day on Google Store. Okay, I will leave the screenshot somewhere up over here. So feel free to share your experience about trading 212 if you haven't already on App Store, Google Store, Trustpilot, or wherever possible. However, I am Mr. Lamchaneygurung, and in today's video we are going to talk about a penny stock that I invested my money about a week ago. I was up more than 100% yesterday, but today it came crashing and I'm up just 40%. The stock is a CBBT Biotech Corporation, ticker symbol CBBT, and it is a medical device company which is currently in its developmental stage, and it's focused on creation and clinical development of minimal implantable device and synthetic drug solution. So basically they are working on making an implant device that simulates the cognitive function in patients with dementia and Alzheimer's disease in particular. And I know and especially here in United Kingdom, there are a lot of people suffering from dementia and Alzheimer's as well, and there is a huge market for this. Second point is that they are in talks of finalizing the acquisition of PKG Inc. Now we know how stock people react, investors react, how stocks get hyped when these days these merger or acquisition is completed or the news comes out. So I won't be surprised if this penny stock starts to take off, and just on that news alone. Okay, now PKG is a privately held corporation which was established 31 years ago, and it brings in a revenue of under $15 million in the United States alone. It does specializes in contract design, development, manufacturing system of system level devices with expertise in human machine interfaces, which add up to only helping which this does help to only CBBT Biotech to actually produce their device sooner rather than later, as PKG brings in a lot of experience in this field itself. Finally, we will have to look at their financials as well. Now till date, CBBT Biotech is still in a loss. Since 2017 they have lost about $2.5 million already, and of course their revenue and margin is not available because they are in a loss territory. But now if we look at their projection, if once their their product starts rolling in the market, if they have a profit margin of 67% and their revenue grows by 183% by 2022 and a further 127% the year after, I think this will be very huge for this company shares. At this price, especially the product they are developing and the projection they have in hand, I think it's a bargain, and if anything it's a dirt cheap price to get in to this territory at the minute. So we will have to keep a close eye on this. We'll have to look at their earnings report as well, especially once their acquisition goes through. We'll have to keep an eye on that news as well. I mean, this could be big, but then again, bear in mind this is a penny stock, and at the end of the day, like I always say, always think before you sink. Goodbye, my friends.